Number 1. Deep inside the earth, water and rock absorb heat from magma. Wells can be dug and heated water pumped out. This heated water can be used for heating buildings and generating electricity. Which of the following types of energy would be generated beneath Earth's crust and could be used for harnessing electricity? A. Solar energy. B. Geothermal energy. C. Wind energy. D. Hydroelectric energy. Number 2. A group of students visited the Horseshoe Bend, a meander of the Colorado River located in Arizona. When they looked down, they asked their teacher how the sedimentary rock formed. Which statement best answers their question? A. Rock layers. B. Ocean waves crashed into the rock. C. Rocks broke apart by strong winds. D. Earthquakes made the rock cave in. Number 3. A group of students wants to set 4 mirrors around a wooden block as shown below. Which illustration displays one way the students can place the 4 mirrors so that they can shine light on the object? Number 4. Which of these changes to the electric circuit shown above will cause all the bulbs to light up? A. Remove bulbs 1 and 3 so that the current can flow in a closed path. B. Making all the wires the same length so that the current can flow more easily. C. Turning the battery so that its negative end connects to its positive end. D. Remove bulbs 2 and 4 so that the current can flow in a closed path. Number 5. A 5th grade science class was given an assignment to research alternative energy sources. The students used the school library, textbooks, and their own technology devices to conduct their research. Students made a list of examples of alternative energy resources in their science notebooks. Which list contains only alternative energy resources? A. Wind, solar, petroleum, and geothermal. B. Biofuels, coal, geothermal, and solar. C. Hydroelectric, coal, natural gas, and wind. D. Solar, biofuels, wind, and geothermal. Number 6. A student tried to connect an electrical circuit as shown below. The light bulb did not light up. What can the student do to make the light bulb light up? A. Connect a second battery to the first battery. B. Connect a switch so that the electric current can flow easily. C. Replace the steel nails with plastic nails. D. Connect the steel nails with a short piece of wire. Number 7. A science teacher uses a hot plate for an investigation. He plugs the tool into an outlet and turns it on. The teacher then asks his students what form of energy is produced after the hot plate is connected to the outlet. A. Mechanical. B. Thermal. C. Sound. D. Solar. Number 8. In swamps, layers of dead plants can build up and form peat. Peat can get buried and over millions of years can change into coal that can be burned to make energy. Which of these categories best describes coal? A. Non-renewable. B. Renewable. C. Reusable. D. Biofuels. Number 9. A scientist was studying the cross-section of the rock layers beneath a forest in the mountains of Canada. Fossils of tropical plants were found in the oldest rock layer. What could the scientist determine about the environment of the Canadian mountains? A. At some point in the past, the area was covered by water. B. Plant life in the Canadian mountains has never changed. C. There is a large underground heated water source beneath the forest. D. This area used to have a different climate than it does now. Number 10. Which is not an example of the use of mechanical energy to perform a task? A. Turning a handle on a gumball machine. B. Watching a person run in the park. C. Pulling a rubber band back on a slingshot. D. Riding a bicycle to go to school. Number 11. A group of students painted the inside of 5 containers, each of a different color. When recording their observations, they realized that the inside of the container painted white looked brighter than the others. The container looks brighter most likely because A. More light is reflected off white paint. B. More light is refracted by white paint. C. More light is absorbed by white paint. D. More light passes through white paint. Number 12. The pie chart shows the percentages of energy sources used in the United States in 2009 to generate electricity. Which statement can be supported by the data displayed in the graph? A. Natural gas and hydroelectricity were the main fossil fuels used as sources of electricity generation in 2009. B. The United States relied completely on alternative energy as its main source of electricity generation in 2009. C. More than 50% of the electricity generated in the United States in 2009 came from fossil fuels. D. The United States did not rely on fossil fuels to generate electricity in 2009. 13. Wind energy can be harnessed to generate electricity. Which of the following is an advantage of harnessing wind power? A. The use of wind energy reduces the need for fossil fuels. B. Wind energy can only be harnessed in locations where winds blow at high speed. C. A rotating wind turbine can be a threat to wildlife, especially birds and bats. D. Harnessing wind power requires open land to set up wind turbines, leading to affecting the quality of land.